Here's the email request that I just sent off. That is exactly how fast it is. It says, "G'day Jack, let's get going." So it's going to get started. Seamlss doesn't use passwords. It uses a secure link and an SMS to log in. So therefore, I've got an SMS code. I'm going to remember myself. I've got the code on my phone already. I'm going to log in. So that's how easy it is for clients. Clients are going to have a link. They get an SMS. They log in. It's 2FA. It's secure. And I think that is super important to remember, because it all should be 2FA when you're discussing sensitive data like TFNs and stuff. So I'm just going to key in this basic details here as quickly as I can. This is usual stuff that you get from clients. Postcode. We use the same one. TFNs are validated, so you need to make sure you enter a valid TFN. Director IDs are validated up to 10 digits. Bank details are also validated in regards to BSB, so you need to make sure you put in a valid BSB. So we'll do Business Edge. The beauty of Seamlss, we talked about the validating of data. So you can see that the clients put in Business Edge. Now I'm going to pick what entity it is. So they will be able to go look it up on ABR Lookup and go, yeah, here is my business. Cool, Business Edge. There's my ABN. They key in the ABN as well. It will look it up on ABR Lookup. Again, it'll pull in their ACN from ABR Lookup. They can put in their phone number, put in their email. I'm just going to put in some fake emails and things here. You can select from the existing address that they've already used, or they can rekey in a current one that they've got. In this case, I'm just going to use the same ones for this demonstration. Again, everything is getting validated. TFNs, I have marked them as being required. BSB is all getting validated to make sure that you're getting valid data. Oh, cool, there we go. Getting it validated. So in this case, with my onboarding experience, this is the crucial part about collecting data while you're onboarding them. A part of onboarding is not only collecting the individual details that go on the front of the tax returns, but it's also collecting the tax returns and information from the previous accountant. A lot of clients do get this information from the accountant, so surely they can give you that. Again, in my case, I'm just asking for different various bits of data. This could help. I'll add that. My previous accountant, Business Edge, it's at 449 Hume Street, mail at bap.com. So obviously the client will key in these details. This will help you with your ethical letter clearance. We'll save that, and now we'll get onto the Stripe identity. So Stripe identity is powered by Stripe. You've probably heard and used Stripe before in your business, and if not, with your clients. So start the verification process. It will all stay within Seamlss, but it's powered by Stripe. So I'm going to agree to utilizing Stripe here. Because I'm on my computer, I'm not going to use the QR code. So with the QR code, what would happen is you scan it with your phone, you log in, and then it starts utilizing your phone to take photos with your phone. So hopefully, as you can see, I've now scanned it. Stripe is now loading up. It's the same process with the app. It's going to continue, utilize my IDs. So that's processing on the phone. This is the same deal with clients can do this in the same manner. They'll be able to switch from their laptop to their mobile. Our data suggests that most clients do it on their mobile phone anyway. The whole app is built to work on mobile phones for that reason, being that 90% of people are doing this via a mobile phone. We do know that most accountants access the website via desktop, which makes sense because we're all at work. So now you can see I'm still going, still loading up. Now it wants to take some photos of myself. Once it takes the photos, it's going to check the license against my selfies. And it's going to process that for us. Submitting it to Stripe. Now it's done. You can see on the screen it's done. Finally, thank you, tech, working for once. You can also ask for additional proof, so additional verification, and it can only help when you're identifying your clients. So identification process is done. Now we've got our engagement letter. You can see that Jack has added his company, his ABN. We're going to confirm, and we're going to sign. We're going to complete. So now we've got our engagement letter complete and signed. The client can go on and download their documents, like their engagement letter right here. But as you're probably all aware, and utilizing agent linking is the new in thing. If you haven't utilized it, I recommend you jump in and start doing it with Seamlss straight away. So I recommend everyone deletes the ATO resources, because if you've used it, you're probably not going to like it. But with the clients, make it easy, use our guide. So if they've used the ATO guide, good luck to them. It's quite cumbersome and ugly. But with the Seamlss guide, we integrate directly with Seamlss and guide the client. So do they have a MyGov ID? Usually, yes, they do. Have they linked it with MyGov? Probably already have, especially if they've got their director IDs. And then it's going to suggest to nominate their authorized agent. So they can open up the link and just get started with that process and log in and get going. We've given them your tax agent details. We've given them step-by-step instructions in regards to pitches on how to get this done. Gives them text information with your tax agent details. And the best bit is once they've done, they can confirm. So he's going to update and mark that as linked. And then that will send an email notification to me to say that the client has finished their agent linking process. In the sense that some clients haven't done their MyGov ID, just like in my firm the other day, we had a client where they had no MyGov ID, they had very little tech experience. I think they're a 40-year-old tradie that just didn't care for it. But we sent them the Seamlss link and he stepped his way through it. He went through, got his MyGov ID, couldn't get it to a strong level, called the ATO, got it to a strong level, set it up, then did his RAM linking. Again, if he didn't have the RAM linking, this steps it through them. So if they don't have the RAM link, it says here, link up this company through these steps. It gives them the link on how to do it. Same with this client that I'm discussing now, they still struggled with that as well because they had a trust. But the beauty of Seamlss is it told them, here's the number, please call the number, get ABR to link it up. We sent it to them 4 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock the next day, we come into the email saying that they had agent linked. I was pretty happy and pretty proud that the whole process worked, especially in that circumstances with that type of client, and I'm sure we've all had that before. So again, the client can go in, download their engagement letter, any other documents that are in the system.